entrepreneur. Yes, explain. I was asking to the this Korean person. You are the Marine Teho. Teho Park. What are you doing here?
I am with the new staff profession.
New start. It started 8 years later. You are going to start again. That's why only you can to ask, put all the questions, put all the problems, because it is just to prevent that next time, if we do, be careful to see all the problems. Just don't wait another big issue like this. 8 years, but doing not advancing. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Small city.
But sir, I can't because my wife also says
He made it by cooking.
That is why it is not going on. The reason is his wife is from Look, penalty. Just because he spent more time with
Oh, I done in the project.
you. Left no left.
hello.
Now, I have to tell you, I don't trust you when you say that your wife is from Left no left. Very good. Continue back from the central government. We will have an audit just to justify to our people why 8 years. Why? Okay?
I will do my best.
You will do. Everybody have. If not,
Why could we?
okay, very good. Madam, wait. $2.50.
I don't have it.
If you don't have, take this out.
Oh, yes.
$2.50.
I think he just bought it.
You want to make any announcement on the road start date?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe my plan is around the 3 months for the new budget.
You will work with